Hello to you watching. So it's almost the end of February and I am recording my 1 month 1 palette video where this month I was using the Olive You Forever by Violet Voss. I got in my first BoxyCharm box and I liked it. I stand by the statement I said in my BoxyCharm unboxing video earlier this month. It was a good palette, a little less green than you would expect an Olive You Forever palette to be. And I didn't use all the shades. I think there were 4 shades I didn't use. I'd like to go back to this palette at some point and see if I can't use every shade. But for now, I am going to put it back in my makeup drawer and use something else. So without further ado, here's my progress. So the color Olive You was the first pan I hit. I hit pan in Wink, which is just the cream shade. And I also hit pan in Lovebird. I have a good dip in Wishful, but probably not near close enough to actually hit pan. And yeah, so that was the Olive You Forever palette. As I said, liked it, worked out. I'm ready to start playing with something different. And that something different is gonna be, don't actually know. You know what? I haven't gotten a lot of use out of it, so I think I'm gonna pull in the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions. And I think I've only used this once, maybe twice. And as you can see, there is use marks, but no pan. So we'll see how this goes. All right. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. Bye.